Unlocking the secrets of bolt latch. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the English language and uncover the meaning behind the phrases bolt and latch. These are common words you might encounter around the house, especially when dealing with doors or windows. So, let's get started and learn how these simple words are used in everyday English. A bolt is a type of fastener typically used to keep doors or windows closed. It's a metal rod or pin that slides into a socket or catch. When you bolt a door, you are effectively securing it, making sure it cannot be easily opened from the outside. It's not just a physical object, but also a verb that signifies securing something in place. Moving on, a latch is another type of fastening mechanism, but it's usually less heavy-duty than a bolt. It's a device that holds a door or window closed, often consisting of a bar that fits into a notch or catch. When someone says they are going to latch a door, they mean to fasten it closed, but it's generally easier to open than a bolted door. While both a bolt and a latch serve similar purposes, they differ in their strength and security level. A bolt often provides a higher security level and is more permanent, while a latch is more for convenience and ease of access. Understanding the context in which each is used is crucial for learning English, as it can change the meaning of a sentence. And that's a wrap on bolt and latch. I hope this video has helped clarify these terms for you. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the small details that make up our daily communication. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these terms like a native speaker. See you in the next video.